At DataArt, we redefine how teams approach AI. We created a solution that transforms simple instructions into complete playwright test suites. This approach saves time, ensures higher coverage, and makes your tests always up to date with the latest API specification. Let's see how it works in practice. Here we have a project with several API endpoints, but no tests yet. We simply send one message to our agent, read the Swagger spec, and create automated tests for this endpoint. The agent retrieves the API specification, analyzes available endpoints and parameters, then generates a complete set of playwright tests, including positive and negative scenarios, status code checks, response field validations, and authentication handling. Next, it automatically runs all the generated tests. If any of them fail, the agent inspects the errors, applies quick fixes like adding missing headers or adjusting request payloads, and reruns only the failed tests until they pass. In just a few moments, we have a fully working and stable suite of automated API tests ready to be used in our CI pipeline. With this workflow, creating and maintaining API tests becomes fast, reliable, and scalable. Developers and QA engineers no longer spend hours writing repetitive boilerplate. They just give instructions to the AI agent and get production-ready tests in return. This dramatically reduces setup time, improves test coverage, and ensures consistent validation across all endpoints. In short, our AI turns API test automation into an intelligent, self-correcting process, letting your team focus on building features instead of maintaining test code. Thank you